Cooking with sentences. I am chopping the onions. I am chopping the onions. I am cracking the eggs. I am cracking the eggs. I am zesting the lemon. I am zesting the lemon. I am measuring the flour. I am measuring the flour. I am pressing the garlic. I am pressing the garlic. I am slicing the tomatoes. I am slicing the tomatoes. I am mixing the ingredients. I am mixing the ingredients. I am blending the smoothie. I am blending the smoothie. I am seasoning the steak. I am seasoning the steak. I fry the meat in the pan. I fry the meat in the pan. I add rice to boiling water. I add rice to boiling water. I grate the garlic. I grate the garlic. I prepare the salad. I prepare the salad. I wash and dry the vegetables. I wash and dry the vegetables. I beat the eggs. I beat the eggs. I add pepper to the soup. I add pepper to the soup. I pour lemon juice on the salad. I pour lemon juice on the salad. I melt the butter. I melt the butter. I knead the dough. I knead the dough. I clean the fish. I clean the fish. I marinate the chicken. I marinate the chicken. I cook the pasta in boiling water. I cook the pasta in boiling water. I bake the cookies in the oven. I bake the cookies in the oven. I simmer the soup. I simmer the soup. I stir the sauce. I stir the sauce. I like to cook. I like to cook. I enjoy baking cookies. I enjoy baking cookies. Cooking is fun. Cooking is fun. I need a recipe. I need a recipe. I love homemade food. I love homemade food. Let's make breakfast. Let's make breakfast. I want to bake a cake. I want to bake a cake. Let's grill some chicken. Let's grill some chicken. I need some ingredients. I need some ingredients. The oven is hot. The oven is hot. I like spicy food. I like spicy food. I need a bigger pan. I need a bigger pan. Let's make a salad. Let's make a salad. This is my favorite dish. This is my favorite dish. I need a sharp knife. I need a sharp knife. I need to wash my hands. I need to wash my hands. I love apple pie. I love apple pie. I need a spatula. I need a spatula. The chicken is roasting. The chicken is roasting. I need to buy groceries. I need to buy groceries. The kitchen smells amazing. The kitchen smells amazing. I boil the water. I boil the water. I chop the onions. I chop the onions. I peel the carrots. I peel the carrots. I stir the soup. I stir the soup. I bake the bread. I bake the bread. I grill the chicken. I grill the chicken. I fry the eggs. I fry the eggs. I roast the beef. I roast the beef. I add salt. I add salt. I add pepper. I add pepper. I pour the milk. I pour the milk. I heat the oil. I heat the oil. I melt the butter. I melt the butter. I whisk the eggs. I whisk the eggs. I grate the cheese. I grate the cheese. I knead the dough. I knead the dough. I boil the pasta. I boil the pasta. I sauté the mushrooms. I sauté the mushrooms. I cook the rice. I cook the rice. I wash the lettuce. I wash the lettuce. I crush the garlic. I crush the garlic. I dice the peppers. I dice the peppers. I shred the cabbage. I shred the cabbage. I poach the eggs. I poach the eggs. I broil the steak. I broil the steak. I season with herbs. I season with herbs. I combine the ingredients. I combine the ingredients. I measure the flour. I measure the flour. I grease the pan. I grease the pan. I decorate the cookies. I decorate the cookies. I skewer the kebabs. I skewer the kebabs. I zest the lemon. I zest the lemon. I brown the meat. I brown the meat. I sift the flour. I sift the flour. I dice the tomatoes. I dice the tomatoes. I parboil the potatoes. I parboil the potatoes. I wrap the sandwich. I wrap the sandwich. I slice the cheese. I slice the cheese. I thaw the chicken. I thaw the chicken. I pack the lunch. I pack the lunch. I grill the shrimp. I grill the shrimp. I drizzle with honey. I drizzle with honey. I slice the cucumber. I slice the cucumber. I grill the fish. I grill the fish. I mix the salad. I mix the salad. I measure the milk. I measure the milk. I shred the chicken. I shred the chicken. I rinse the fruit. I rinse the fruit. I peel the garlic. I peel the garlic. I fry the minced meat with onions. I fry the minced meat with onions. I slice the bread. I slice the bread. I grate the cheese. I grate the cheese. I chop the tomatoes. I chop the tomatoes. I brew the coffee. I brew the coffee. I brew the tea. I brew the tea. I add the spices. I add the spices. I boil the vegetables. I boil the vegetables. I grill the burgers. I grill the burgers. I decorate the cake. I decorate the cake. I cut the fruits. I cut the fruits. I make caramel cream. I make caramel cream. I mix the sugar with the eggs. I mix the sugar with the eggs. I fry the ham. I fry the ham. I roast the chicken in the oven. I roast the chicken in the oven. I bake the pizza. I bake the pizza. I toast the bread. I toast the bread. I make the hamburger. I make the hamburger. I chop the pickles. I chop the pickles. I make pancakes. I make pancakes. I make a banana shake. I make a banana shake. I make iced coffee. I make iced coffee. I drain the noodles. I drain the noodles. I make mushroom soup. I make mushroom soup. I make cookies. I make cookies. I make lasagna. I make lasagna. I make kebabs. I make kebabs.